What is up guys, Danny this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to add a local inventory feed in Google Merchant Center. So first off, head over to Google or any browser and then in the search bar, type in business.google.com or you can just simply type Google Merchant Center. In both the cases, you will be redirected to this dashboard of Google Merchant Center. Then on the right side, as you can see the login button. But if you are new to Google Merchant Center, you will see the option of signing in. So just simply sign in with your email and password. Now, after signing or logging in, simply click here, and after that, you will be logged into Google Merchant Center. Now, after coming to this page, you will see an overview of Google Merchant Center next, and then from here on the right side, you can see the setting icons. Click on this, and then click on Data Sources. After clicking on data sources, you can see the add product source. After clicking here on the add product source, you can simply add your products from the source that you have copied or downloaded, like the Excel file that you have downloaded via the XML or the CSV extension. After downloading, you can just simply paste that file or you can enter the link of the file. And after that, you can just simply click on add via SFTP or you can upload a file from your computer. After you are done, hit enter and then your products will be added to your local inventory feed. And here are some of the options like add products from a file, use Google Sheets, and then add products one by one. You can choose any one from these according to your requirements. And this is how you can add a local inventory feed in Google Merchant Center. So that was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.